This might ruffle some feathers, but stop buying skincare if you don't know what your skin type is. But first, I think this is fascinating. I looked at the back end of our YouTube channel, and since this channel started, 97.9% of you who watch our videos frequently haven't yet hit the subscribe button. So I have a favor to ask you. If you've ever watched this channel and loved the content, please hit that subscribe button. It helps this channel more than you know, and I promise if you do that, to return the favor, we'll make this channel better and better. Do we have a deal? Here's what happens when you buy all of these new skincare products without actually knowing your skin type. All the time I see clients who have come to me to say that I'm using retinol, I'm exfoliating, I am wearing sunscreen, but nothing is happening. My skin is not getting better. My skin is actually getting worse. I am spending money on all of these products that don't actually work. And I'm like, wow, fair enough. But the reality is, if you don't know what your skin type is, you are actually choosing products blindly. So instead of you buying every new product recommended on TikTok or by your best friend, here's what you should be doing instead. Know your skin type. Your skin type is determined by your genetics, and there are three main skin types: an oily skin type, dry skin type, or a normal skin type. Over the years, I have had many clients get confused with knowing which skin type they actually are, and often believed their skin condition was their skin type. So allow me to break down the three main skin types to help you figure out what skin type you have. We have a dry skin type, which actually lacks lipids, which are oil. A dry skin has minimal or no visible pores. You may experience flakiness, or you actually love rich moisturizers. You will also notice that fine lines can be more apparent on your skin. Oily skin, on the other hand, you're more prone to visible pores or large open pores. You have an oil flow coming through your skin before or around lunchtime. You often get shiny throughout the day and feel like you need to powder or blot your makeup. You are also prone to getting blackheads and pustules. Finally, your skin texture is thicker than a dry skin type. And then we have normal skin, which is clear skin, no imperfections, and a regulated oil flow. Now, when it comes to your skincare, you should actually choose your cleanser and moisturizer based on what your skin type is. So if you have dry skin, you should actually be avoiding foaming cleansers and opt for a milk cleanser. And look for moisturizers for dry skin. If you have oily skin, opt for a gel or a foam cleanser, but without any harsh sulfates that actually strip the skin's barrier. So make sure that you are checking the ingredients on these cleansers. And then you want to look for a moisturizer that is lightweight and water-based. If you have a normal skin type, you can actually choose between your preference, but ensure that you don't choose a cleanser that strips your natural oils, leading to an impaired skin barrier. Once you know your skin type, you will then know what cleanser and moisturizer to look for based on whether you have dry, oily, or normal skin. The reason why you need to make sure you have the right cleanser and moisturizer is because if you are actually using the wrong ones, they can lead to skin conditions. For example, I had a client who had a true oily skin, but she thought she had dry skin. So what did she do? She was out buying all these rich products and using them on her skin, and she ended up with all this congestion and breakout. She gave herself these skin conditions because she didn't understand what her skin type was and was using the wrong products for her skin. The difference is a skin condition is not something you are genetically born with. They are caused by hormonal imbalances, diet, lifestyle, stress, incorrect product use, allergies, and environmental factors. Skin conditions are things like dehydration, acne-prone skin, aging skin, hyperpigmentation, sun damage, and even sensitivity. To treat skin conditions, you do this through serums. Each skin condition will have different serums that work at helping clear that skin condition. Ultimately, the number one thing you need to know first is your skin type. From there, you can then look at treating skin conditions with targeted serums. Now, if you don't know your skin type, I want you to first identify if you have an impaired skin barrier. Watch this video here next to rule out that you don't have an impaired skin barrier, and then you will be on track to creating the perfect skincare routine for your skin.